My name is Alex Campo, and this is another episode of Me versus Nature. My name is Alex Campo, and I have been training with a YMCA instructor an hour a day for 2 whole days. And we've been doing like 12 ab crunches. And I'm going to put my skills to the test and go out into the freezing cold winter nature outside in my front yard to see if I am man enough to conquer the wild. I studied red foxes for over an hour today, and I learned some really cool things about them that you should probably want. If you want to know, you can know them, because they're really cool. Color of a red fox is from a reddish brown to a yellow. Red foxes have several dens, one for safety, one for food storage, one for birth, one for living inside, and red foxes have several dens, one for food storage, one for living in, one for birth, and one for the pups. Red foxes will eat rabbits, mice, small rodents, fruits, garbage, small birds, and carrion, which is a type of fish. Red foxes will stay with one mate for well over a year. The males will fight for the right to mate with a female, and the female can have from 1 to 13 pups in one single litter. Red foxes like to live in farmlands, urban areas, deserts, woodland. Don't tell me. And that's pretty much it. Red foxes like to live in mountains, deserts, woodlands, prairies, farmlands, and urban areas. The female will sometimes give off the pups to another female, so the female can nanny the pups until they are ready to go back to their mother. The pups do not open their eyes until 9 to 14 days after birth. Since I am so far from civilization, I will sleep here for the night until morning comes. It's morning now, and I'm not sure exactly what time it is, but I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna need to hunt for some food. Oh my gosh. Look. A peanut butter sandwich. Oh my gosh. Shh, you'll scare it away. Shh, watch. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to try to approach the sandwich. So, in hopes that I can eat it for breakfast. Oh no, it's looking at me. Okay, I'm being chased by the sandwich, and okay, I caught it. This is just a fine delectable. And nature, because it's so natural. You know, when the sandwich was chasing me, I noticed a house. And right there, I think is going to be the best place for me to get some food, shelter, and back home. This has been Me versus Nature, and I have conquered my front yard.